dreams and aspirations. It is a deeper form of sana or hopefully. Ladies and gentlemen, hayaan niyo kami ipakita namin sa inyo ang isang pagtatangal ng mga bubuting bulilit noon na mangarap na matupad at makamit ang kanilang mga mithiin bilang isang magaling na artist o performer. Lahat ay inanyanyahan, ihanda ang mga puso at buksan ang mga isipan, tuklasin at intindigin ang iba't ibang istorya ng ating mga tagapagtangal. May the wishes of our hearts be granted. Ladies and gentlemen, the Aurora National High School, in cooperation with the Special Programming Arts and Design, proudly presents Hiraya ng Anciano, an upgraded and an extraordinary showcase of talents and skills of our SPA and Arts and Design. Welcome to our year-end Grand Recital 2024! Here is the rundown of our gala performances as the jumpstart, giving you our Salida or the Performance Series 1.